everyone.
Good afternoon.
How are you today?
I'm starving.
I'm very
And I have to breakfast. I'm not bad, but I'm starving. But how are you? I'm excited for your classes.
I'm good.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, students, what do you like in the word sport?
The run, volleyball.
I like to.
Like volleyball. You. I like volleyball.
I like motorcycle. Yeah.
Oh,
I like badminton.
Yes. Yes. I like badminton. Like.
yes,
Same kain.
And I miss to it.
kalau saya ini, I like swimming. Okay, this kingdom. What do you like in this sport, Miss Teacher?
Football.
Basketball.
Yeah, jogging. Football. Basket.
Okay, today we will learn about sport and hobby.
It's up to you. If you
Of other sport, will you come on, everyone say cycling,
Cycling.
football, cycling, cycling, football, tennis, horse riding, running, dancing, going to the cinema, swimming,
relax. I always do music. I find music or pop. My favorite music pop. Yeah.
Sasi?
About me, I want to try painting because my hobby is listening music, playing guitar. But I will try painting because I think when I draw, I found the differences between painting and drawing. So I will try to painting to other. Yeah.